Creativity doesn't come cheap in football, and for the exact reason, European giants are chasing the signature of the English sensation Jadon Sancho. Sancho is consistent, quick, and a progressive winger, but there is a myriad of reasons why the move can become a failure considering the current financial situation of the footballing world. Today, he will use football statistical data to examine the cheaper attacking options who can serve as an alternative to Jadon Sancho for the searching clubs. So without further ado, let's begin. Starting the list strong, we look at the tail end of the Premier League table. Although the Canaries' return to the Championship looks unavoidable, still a number of players in Daniel Farke's Norwich have galvanized this season and will surely be handpicked in the summer of 2020. Emiliano Buendia has played a total of 2,096 minutes this season with an average match rating of 7.2. The Argentine winger is a modern-day progressive wide man with the ability to stretch play and work the byline frequently. With 2.3 key passes recorded per 90, the Norwich starlet has secured 7 assists this season. Teams who play the traditional approach of counter-attacking football will flourish with players like Emiliano Buendia controlling the right flank. Buendia's style of play is identical to Luis Nani, as he likes to do layoffs and is not shy of changing the channel. A passing accuracy of 81% with an average of 41 passes per 90 makes Buendia an ideal and cheaper alternative to Jadon Sancho for multiple clubs across European football. For our next pick, we move to the Italian Serie A. Domenico Berardi plays as a right midfielder for Sassuolo. Considering the attacking output and inconsistent displays of the Italian outfit, Berardi's attacking numbers are positively shocking. In 251 appearances for the club, he has secured a total of 83 goals and 54 assists. Berardi's attacking approach is effective for multiple teams because the right forward likes to cut inside from wide positions and targets the central defensive block either by bringing in midfielders into play or by through balls or diagonal passes. In 1675 minutes, Berardi has secured 9 goals and 5 assists in all competitions this campaign. On top of that, the forward has produced an average of 4 shots per 90, which is better than many top strikers in the Italian league. Positional adaptability makes Berardi a perfect option for a number of top clubs looking for a right-wing recruitment for next campaign. Fun Spaniard wide man has attracted the attention of multiple scouts this year. With 6 goals and 6 assists this campaign, Ferran Torres is surely one for the future. Scout reports are already linking the talented wide man with clubs like Man City, Manchester United and Borussia Dortmund because in terms of style, Torres is the closest thing to the English sensation Jadon Sancho. Torres has the ability to work in tight spaces and is the perfect clutch for teams who play the traditional 4-3-3. Ferran's attacking output is noteworthy. Still, Valencia's style of play is not best suited for him and further progress can be made with a move to a club like Manchester United or City. In 2,361 minutes, Ferran has contributed with 0.9 key passes and 1.1 shots per 90. The Spaniard is far from a finished product and the crossing ability of Torres needs major improvement. Still, a 45 million price tag might prove to be a bargain if the Spanish marvel keeps progressing in the same fashion. That concludes our picks for today's video. For more similar content, subscribe to Football Dose. And as always, we'll see you in a while.